I'm David Schlosberg. I'm a professor of environmental politics and the director of the Sydney Environment Institute. I've also been quite involved in the development of the sustainability strategy. I've been on the Sustainability Strategy Steering Committee, as well as the chair of the advisory committee, which has brought together people from all over campus to help advise on the strategy. The Sydney Environment Institute is one of the university's multidisciplinary initiatives. Our mission really is about exploring some of the environmental crises, some of the potential disasters that we're in the midst of, but also to look at transformative solutions, design transformative solutions, work with partners on those solutions. Because we are an MDI, a multidisciplinary initiative, it's really about bringing together researchers from across campus to address some of these questions. Every project that we do is a collaborative project with multiple partners. One of the things that has been troubling me, I guess, in the decade that I've been at the University of Sydney is the lack of an explicit sustainability strategy. There is an immense wealth of research on this campus around sustainability, around environment, around changing the way that we live and practice our everyday lives. And that has just not been reflected in the way that the campus runs. So it's absolutely crucial now to mix this research, the incredible research that's being done, not just in SEI, but across campus around sustainability, with the everyday life of the campus to bring that research to bear, to bring the values that the students and the staff have to bear on, again, the everyday life of the university. SEI's involvement really came about because of that existing interest in doing something on campus, in illustrating things like biodiversity, and justice and all kinds of reforms and impacts around food and waste and energy, to put those things into practice on campus, to illustrate the knowledge that we had, the transformative knowledge that we had on campus. So I thought it was important, given our mission around both crisis and transformation, that it was really crucial to be involved and to bring as many of our researchers as possible into the advisory committee and into the design of a sustainability strategy.
My name is Lisa Heinze. I'm the project lead for the Sydney Environment Institute on the campus sustainability strategy. My role in the development of the sustainability strategy was managing the coordination of the advisory group and the many working groups that we had collaborating throughout 2019. So we had a core advisory group that consisted of researchers, operations staff, and students, as well as working groups in areas like energy, water, culture, and food that again consisted of research, operations, and students, people that had expertise and passion in these particular areas. It's really important that when you're talking about developing a sustainability strategy, that you take into account all of the expertise and knowledge that we have present here on campus. And that comes from research in labs, but it also comes from the operational staff who know the campuses inside and out. It was equally important that we had students involved in this process. For one, we're hoping to set up a better future for them. We're really hoping that what we do here on this campus leads to a better future for all of the students, but also they have so many ideas that could be put into practice right now. One of the consultation methods that we undertook are called table talks, and during that session we brought together a number of people from across campus and even the nearby community to sit at round tables together to talk about why sustainability mattered to them, what it would look like on a campus, and how they would like to see it implemented into the future. It's really important to include genuine community consultation so that you're not developing these types of strategies and tasks in a bubble. So once we did some consultation through table talks as well as other surveys and ideas walls that people could contribute ideas, we brought all of these projects back to the advisory group and our specialized working groups so that we had the experts go through with their knowledge about what is possible, what's going to have the biggest impact, and how we really can make the most positive environmental difference on our campus.
One of the core processes at the heart of the implementation of the sustainability strategy will be this idea of the living lab. And what we're really striving to do here is to bring together students, researchers across campus, and operations staff into this idea of putting research into practice, illustrating the research on campus, demonstrating the research on campus, but importantly, giving students that opportunity not just to see their values realized, but to actually work in putting those values into practice themselves, along with researchers and staff members across campus.